Hello everyone, my name is Gilles Morin. I'm a writer and also a massage therapist. So if you want to save the planet, listen to the TV. You saw all kind of dramatic, catastrophic ecological situation. But one household at a time, we can make a difference in our house, because most of the people who want to be green, they don't have green products in their house. I'll get with Greta and the million of people contesting for the environment, look at them and see what they have in their house. It's a catastrophic chemical products cleaner. You have to take green, get clean from Shackley, and they have no perfume for the infant toxic vapors. So all biodegradable, tensioactive, and clean the planet with that. So Cousteau Captain, you know the French guy with the boat who go ecological around the world? He used Shackley product to clean the boat, Calypso. So Vitalius.fi, go see that, and together we can save the planet. It's about time. It's dangerously hot. Everything is going to be fine. So give me a comment and I will be pleased to talk with you. Bye-bye.